She was a fairy. Catch me if you can, Mr. Holmes.
Too young to be singing the blues.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna
Bop it, twist it, pull it, twist it, bop it, twist it, twist it. Wow, 100! You beat bop it!
Lights out and night light on. Night light out, lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on.
Guess who just discovered a new element?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
I just wanna be your sweetheart.
Gọi tôi là gì? Ông xã. Gọi to lên tôi không có nghe. Ông xã. To lên chút nữa. Ông xã. To lên chút nữa. Ông xã.
Trời xinh quá, em là cà rốt, anh là con thỏ. Oải hương màu xanh, hoa hồng màu đỏ. Ai xem béo, đi xem.
Dressed up like a $1,000,000 trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Come, let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks or umbrellas in their midst. Putting on the Ritz.
If we answer do,
I will
trying to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No.
If I wasn't caught in this snare, I'd kill you.
If you stay in that snare, you'll die.
I hear a sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right, but I heard a creak. I'm always quick to rage.
See, the rain is nice, but I don't really like getting wet. What in the world? No, I went under the awning. It's still raining. Why is it still raining? I did what I was supposed to. That's not fair.
You niggas done messed up now. We getting money, cars, clothes, and we might just bag your hoes. Real trap season.
I just need 1 minute to make sure I look good. Do you think I look good, Mr. Armstrong?
moverme ese culo para atrás, como tú se chapa, tú que me lo de todo. Hice contigo mucho mejor, así que moverme ese culo para atrás, como tú se chapa,
What's your favorite kind of pie? That sounds delicious.
You know what I need to get by.
Something for your mind. Something for your
I tried to get their waiter's attention by blinking Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No thank you. I don't wanna die.
look at all the stars you have. I'll never be that good.
Oh, now, Patrick, I'm just like everyone else, no matter how many stars I have. 74.
Walking down the street, just shaking my baby, shaking my baby. Walking down the street, just shaking my baby.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. Your turn. La da 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 da. Very good time. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. Your turn. La da 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 da. Very good time.
Everyone underestimates me, but then they turn their back and I'm like, boo! And they're like, what? Everyone underestimates me, but then they turn their back and I'm like, boo!
1, 2, 3, 4, come on. Your turn. La da 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 da. Very good time. Your turn.
Sometimes I feel myself rotting, but it feels far away.
Amanda, nothing is rotten here.
What do you think? Do you think that everything rots?
Of course not, Amanda.
I'm not asking you. Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
I tried to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
So make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here. Just kidding. To be or not to be? That is the question. You and I were meant to be. So make me sting you. I'll do it. You need need to get out of here. To be or not to be? That is the question. You and I were meant to be. So make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up. Down. 1. Up. Down. 2. Up. Down. 3. Up. Down. 4.
We're rich. We're the rich.
Korang jangan follow saya. Saya akan kembali. Okay. Korang baru follow ke? Okay. Saya nak pergi mandi dan korang jangan like video ni. Sejuk tadi. Korang like Korang ni. Okay, korang jangan komen. Saya nak pergi siap-siap jap. Serius lah korang. Hai. Okey dah. Korang jangan share. Saya nak pergi makan. Aku belum bergerak kau dah share? Kau ni? Tak apa. Dah lah.
La primera vez que vi en Dragón de Papel me pareció algo tonto. Mientras más se popularizaban, más raro se me hacía, pero al parecer casi nadie pensaba como yo. En realidad la mayoría los amaba, y para ser honesta eran bonitos y también quería hacer el mío. Pero por miedo no me animaba. Al ver tantos en para ti con mucho apoyo, comencé por mi primer Dragon de Papel. Pega, soportes y Párpado culero. Párpado culero ridil. Me divertí y me gustó mucho. ¿Y a ustedes? Raúl.
Okay, so this person up here is how I move the ice. So I guess I'll do a tutorial for you guys. So if I just take this little flat, then you should see that yellow pipe right there. So if you take it on, then there I have a bottom finger below the tube and the top finger above the tube. So if you like twist it with your top finger, then the pipe should roll around on the top of your bottom finger. So if I like twist it, then the ice move around. So how about I explain that for you guys very well? Bye!
Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
Kota baru, gunungnya
you calling up my phone? You know it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and all I hear you saying is, so boy, I miss you. Boy, I miss you. Boy, I miss you. Boy, I miss you. Yeah, and all I hear you talking about, saying we should work it out.
You ain't know me, bitch, stop playing. No cruise ship, showboat, I'm parading. Money Himalayan, salty cause you failing. Born to kill shit, no Matt Damon.
Know you love when I get braggadocious. Mad I'm rapping, listen to it, you like damn me hopeless. Only hope you got, hope nobody fucking notice. I just bought a Benz, I don't grind to push no fucking focus. Hold up, bring it back, bitch, I'm in my bag like a carry-on. Sick of naked bitches, sick of sipping Dom Perignon. At casinos blowing bills on that Monica. Hold no candle to me, get up on that Hanukkah. Burning bread, let's have a toast, Mazel Tov. I wait a long time, long list of long rhymes. Try so fucking much, yeah, bitch, I'm on my Cronkite. All about Kareem bars like Abdul and Klondike.
You ain't know me, bitch, stop playing. No No cruise ship, showboat, I'm parading. Money Himalayan, salty cause you faded. Born to kill shit, no Matt Damon. Bitch, I'm bad, and he never okay. Why y'all mad? Big jealous and that's okay. Bitch, I'm bad, and he never okay. Bitch, I've been down, been dope, I be okay.
Yeah, fuck it, I'ma be me, ain't no second guessing. I could die today, no way I'm living life. Always stressing, I don't need no shit. Ain't no human centipede. I build a kingdom, yeah, my struggle is a centerpiece. I ain't got no time for no pony, no bitch mode. Dicking down life, I'm a motherfucking info. I've been depressed, been down like it was 29. Drove across the country just so I could free my mind. Leave the past behind, think about my past decision. See a better life, all I do, trust my vision. I'm at peace with who I was and what I will become. I'll be me until I die, ain't no switching up.
You ain't know me, bitch, stop playing. No cruise ship, showboat, I'm parading. Money Himalayan, salty cause you faded. Born to kill shit, no Matt Damon. Bitch, I'm bad, and he never okay. Why y'all mad? Big jealous and that's okay. Bitch, I'm bad, and he never okay. Bitch, I've been down, been dope, I be okay.
Pop some pills, got at these bitches every night. Weed and alcohol, my system, I was never right. Anxiety.
But every time I try to move on, you're right there. Acting like what? Maybe you just want me to be as unhappy as you are.
Thought you told me to move on, so why you calling up my phone? You know it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and all I hear you saying is, so boy, I miss you. Boy, I miss you. Boy, I miss you. Boy, I miss you. Yeah, and all I hear you talking about, saying we should work it out. Girl, you mental.
Samsung phone commercial, but I always let you know when I got some purple. And you don't care I move overseas, even though your sister is police. You always like one with me.
You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy.
filled up with about 28 pounds. Clients stacking their bills up when it be fronting amounts. I was getting to work, and the work was worth more than Jason Worth. The perk of the work, the hooks and verses became my first priority. In other words, not working was working. I would drive out to Colorado where urban was perfect. Sure, I was nervous. I would head out with about like 50-some thou on my dash, whole route sweat it out like. No doubt I'm about right to making up in 2 days. Pay 2 months expenses just to make a drive on Tuesday. No dude, I would tell Chase we can't get high, do you wait? Only driving daylight, get a hotel if it's too late. Wholesale, I would move weight. No sale to a new face. No trail, got a new sale. I would do well in a crew cake. Hey, and the money was crazy. Got my cake up, but let my guard down. I fucking got lazy. Shit.
Drug dealer boy, you can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy.
Shit, in the barbershop, parking lot, 6 in the eve. He said, let me flip it real quick. I ain't fixing to leave my clients out front.